In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Godaddy website in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or someone just starting out with their first website, managing your digital presence can sometimes feel a bit daunting. But worry not, because today I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you have a smooth and straightforward experience with Godaddy's interface. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to access your Godaddy account. To do this, start by clicking on the Sign In button. This should be relatively easy to locate on the Godaddy homepage. Finding and clicking that Sign In link is your gateway to all the administrative functions you're going to need. Once you've clicked on Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. Take your time to enter this information correctly to avoid any unnecessary access issues. This step is crucial for your website management journey, as entering the details accurately ensures you get straight to the dashboard without any hitches. After entering your credentials, proceed to click on the Sign In button once more. This action confirms your details and officially logs you into your Godaddy account, bringing you one step closer to managing your website. Now that you're inside, you're going to navigate to the next crucial area of your account. Look for your profile photo, which should be positioned at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this photo will reveal additional options and settings related to your account and services. This is somewhat akin to opening a box of tools. Each tool has its specific use, and right now we're looking for the one that says My Products. Upon clicking on your profile photo, locate and click on the My Products option. It's here that Godaddy aggregates all the products and services you're subscribed to under their platform. This is an important step because it directly leads you to the resources you have at your disposal, including your website and any other related services you might be using. On the My Products page, you're going to focus on finding the Websites plus Marketing section. This particular section is your command center for anything website related. It's where you can access tools, settings, and features that can help you enhance, update, or simply monitor your site. Look for Websites plus Marketing and give it a click to move forward. Inside the Websites plus Marketing area, the next step is to click on Manage. This button is your gateway to the back end of your website, where all the magic happens. From editing content to tweaking the design, the Manage section is designed to give you complete control over how your site looks and functions. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide on how to access and manage your Godaddy website. By following these instructions, you've now unlocked the potential to update, customize, and monitor your website's performance. However, a few parting tips to make your website management journey even smoother. Always remember to log out of your Godaddy account when you're done to prevent unauthorized access. Also, keep your username and password in a safe place, and consider using a password manager for added security. I hope this guide has been helpful and has demystified the process of managing your Godaddy website. Remember, it's all about taking those first few steps, and from there, the possibilities to enhance and improve your website are nearly endless. Keep experimenting with the tools available to you, and soon enough you'll be managing your website like a pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide useful, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.